Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. So we appreciate you all tuning in to the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research. So yes, please do your own research before tuning in. So 1 second here. I got to pull up this chat. And then, yeah, we will be going over today. I'm going to pull up at least one more chart so we could have like a couple different variety things here. Give me 1 second. All right, so I know everyone wants to go over the Qs. We're going to go over the Qs. We're going to go over SPY, Tesla, all these good things here. All right, so 1 second. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up all these trades here. Tesla, and then yeah, I will pull up IWM. Yo, what's up, Nick? SO AJ, what's up? Good to see you guys and gals. All right, yeah. Just joined. What's your so Microsoft? So yeah, I already had this pulled up. So yeah, this is pretty much like a swing trade that we had. We had this empty space here. So this is before I tell the members we're online. But clear gap down. We ended up breaking above our top level just yesterday. So we stayed above, which was great. And then yeah, I like how we gapped up into this empty space here. And hopefully we can stay up and get this continuation. So I kind of want to see if we can hit this 392, and then my final is at 396. So looks good. If we stay up, might be a little trim there. So we'll see how things play out. Yo, good morning, guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning in. All right, hold on. I gotta send in like 2 or 3 chats. Yo, Milo, thanks for beating me to it. Cool. All right, so yeah, let's go over the Qs first. So we already went over Microsoft. So MSFT, we'll probably have to go over that again, which is perfectly fine. All right, so as for the Qs here, and I kind of want to move this a little bit over so you can see a little bit better. So that'll be great. Maybe a little bit more. 1 second here. Just fixing up this chat here. Yo, good morning, everyone. Fritz, thanks for sharing the live stream. I appreciate it. Mike, what's up? All right, SPY, Kava. Yep, we'll go over those. All right, so it looks like we did end up breaking above our top level here. I'm not even going to lie to you. Looks like we end up having a little clean break outside this box here. This is what I'll do though. Hold on, give me a second here. 608. All right, so I'm going to be honest, downside, this is what I like. We'll go over the upside in a second here. All right, 1 second. So, downside, yeah, we got a nice little pocket here. So, this is if we drop today. You can see we got this clean gap up, no consolidation. This is something that I would like to take into the downside. That's if we can get it. So, yeah, that's if we drop. Looks like a floor would be around this 608 area, which I do like to that downside. So that's if we do end up wanting to drop down. And then upside, I'm not gonna lie to you, it looks like we already broken above our top level here. So that's at 609. So we had a POTTERBOX here. We got a lot of empty space, so you can see this clear gap down here. Boom. This is what I would like to this upside here. And we actually closed above, but that doesn't mean I'm just going to get in right at open. I want to see how this reacts. Hopefully we get some sort of retest at this 609 level. And then if that happens, like the upside, which looks good, up to that 612 and then that 614. The only thing that I can see is, yes, we got a little bit of turbulence at that 611, 612 area. So we'll see how this wants to play out. Yo, Catherine, what's up? Good morning. Man, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah, by the way, guys and gals, do I sound weird today? I don't know. My live streams all yesterday, they were all, like, being weird and making me sound, like, muffled. So if that's the case today, just let me know. All right, so, yeah, that's on the Qs. That's what I like. We'll see how this plays out if we get some sort of retest. If we don't, and if it does continue, I might just grab a lotto, try to scalp it, and see if we can get there. So, looks good. All right, cool. So this literally looks like the same plays that we had literally yesterday. So you can see, obviously, it hasn't happened yet. So Q's, clear gap down. IWM, clear gap down. Beautiful push up into the empty space. That's what I would want to see. You can see on SPY, I had both sides marked out. And then, boom, empty space was there. So that's what I would like to see. You can see what a few other members did there just yesterday with us. I don't think I posted that Tesla chart. About, what, 1K in like 20 minutes. Shout out Jesus, amen. Boom. So yeah, shout out to all the other members. The ladies hitting some of those same trades with us. So yeah, look, I'll be looking for those same things, and if we can get it, looks good. You seem fine. Okay, cool. All right, thanks for that. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I couldn't like do the live because like my audio was like messed up, and my I don't know, it was like really blurry too. So, but these streams today should be good, guys and gals. So appreciate it. All right, so yeah, that's on the Q's. We got that empty space above us. Chris, what's up? All right, so if anyone has any other requests, we'll go over those. Obviously we still gotta knock out these other ETFs, of course. But yeah, this is on the Q's. And then let's just say if we want to fake out and we just want to dump, we do got empty space under us. Might use that 609 as a floor, even that 608, and then yes, we got a nice pocket here. So that's what I like, which looks good. All right, so I want to do. So yeah, we'll do Kava, we'll do MSFT. So I'm gonna leave those out just for right now so we can finish these ETFs. So IWM, actually I think I need to pull up one more. So give me one moment. And then so IWM, Tesla, SPY. All right, cool, we'll take a look here. Yo, Josh, what's up? SPY, yep, we'll go over SPY right now. So SPY will be right now. So we'll go ahead and get rid of all this. And yes, every day in the Discord, pretty much same trades. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I do like SPY. SPY looks really good. I feel like they both look pretty decent though. Let me see here. Yeah, we got it. So the 30-minute looks good. 45-minute, 1 hour. Okay. All right, hopefully we close like this. It still lines up, what, 689, 77. Give me one moment here, just 689, 77. All right, cool. I don't know, I like the 1 hour chart. So yes, what I see here. So pretty much same thing, just like all my other trades. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So the only thing I like about SPY is it hasn't happened yet, so we're not like really in the empty space yet. So this is the only reason why I like this one. So pretty much lines up nicely. 30-minute, pretty much that same level we would have to break through, and if we can do that, there is a pocket above us up to that 694. So we do got that clear gap down. Looks good. So you can see, boom, empty space is there. That's what I would like to that upside. And then that's if we can get it. So nice top, bottom wall. And then, yes, our targets will be literally the middle of the move. So literally looks like SPY from yesterday. Clear gap down. You can see SPY, clear gap down. No consolidation. We're in consolidation, so we're looking for a break out of it. And then empty space. So that's what I would like to see. Hopefully we get that. Obviously yesterday was a crazy day. You can even see what we did the day before that. Literally same trades. You can see those were to the downside. So you can see IWM. This is a great way to start the week. Prayers answered. See what happened on IWM, a couple other those trades there. So, and shout out to some of the mods for a beautiful entry there. So, boom. All right, so that's on SPY. I do see the downside, so give me a second before you say anything. Yes, the downside doesn't look too bad. Hold on. All right, let's see. 45 minutes. 45 minutes, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. All right, I'll be honest, I like the 30-minute a lot better. I probably will use a floor on this one if we end up getting it, though. So, we do got a pocket here on that 685. First, I would try down to that 681. Looks like the floor could be at that 687 area. So, we'll see how that plays out if we want to get a nice either continuation or if we want to drop. Looks really, really good. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Is it blurry? Let me know. Yeah, I don't know. I'll be honest, I don't know why my streams are like being so weird the past 2 days. So just let me know. I can try to fix it. What time frame do you use to enter trades? So it really depends. If it's on a 24-hour or if I'm looking to swing it, then I'll just wait for the end of the day on that same time frame that I charted it on. If it's like a day trade, if I'm looking to like get in during the day, either I use these floors, and a lot of times they might be on a lower time frame. Let's say if I miss a floor entry and I'm looking for the empty space entry, then I use a lower time frame. Could be a 5-minute, could be a 3-minute. You can see if I would have waited on that 1 hour close, I would have missed this full move. So that's just how I do it. Obviously, sometimes I'm wrong. Sometimes I might have to stop out, lose a trade. But yeah, you can see what happened just yesterday, the day before. You can even see like plays from even last week. So you can see this was a floor entry, floor play, empty space above us. Same thing, clear gap down. If I miss the floor, I look for that empty space entry. So, and looking for things like this, those type of trades here. Them type of trades like that. So we'll see what we can get today. All right, so we did the Qs, we did SPY. All right, and then we got to go over Tesla. So Tesla, will go over this, and then if you have any other requests, let me know. It was worse before. All right, cool. Yo, Chris, what's up? All right, yeah, no worries. So yeah, if you do see, you know, it is a little bit blurry or whatever, just let me know. No worries. All right. I see your crazy games. I'm trying to, dude. Yeah, man. Honestly, just make sure, yeah, just do your own research, not financial advice. Link is in the bio for the Discord. You can even just join the free chat if you'd like, or watch my free streams. I'm live every day. We do have that live trading chat, so they've been in there for, let's see, about 2 hours. So yeah, I'll be in there a little bit later today, or when market opens, so I'll be there. So no worries. All right, so yeah, so let's go over Tesla. Let's knock this one out. Yo, user 46, what's up? Yeah, I got you, man. So yeah, after these ETFs, we're gonna knock out these other plays like Microsoft, Kava, all these good stuff. All right, cool, cool, cool. Let's see here. All right, so I'll be honest, I do see a couple of things on this. Let me fix this camera just really quickly. Live chat solving all world problems. Honestly, I love the live trading chat. It's like, it's very relaxing, I would say. It's not like we have to rush or anything. We just get in the trades and then get out. If it hits, cool. If it doesn't, and then, you know, that's perfectly fine as well. All right, this is what I can see. This is on Tesla. I'm gonna do basically 2 walls here. So I just see a box here, and then we got empty space from that 413 up to this 419, and then if we break that, obviously, yes, there's that next leg up here. So yeah, that's what I like. That is on Tesla. That is on this 4-hour chart. And then I do want to break it down on a lower time frame too. So you can see we got a clear as day, clear gap down. That's what I would like to the upside. That's if we can get it. I think I've seen on a lower time frame. Give me a moment. All right, so yeah. So you can see on the lower time frame, there's a lot of turbulence here. Boom. So if I take the upside, it'll be more of a smaller, lighter entry. I will be honest with you. Downside looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, let's see here. 408.65. Let me make sure these line up here. All right, yeah, pretty much same thing. All right, so it looks like we got another box here, another little, especially if we close like that looks really good. So we got to move from 408 down to 404. So basically what I saw here was a clear gap up, which doesn't look too bad. Yeah, we'll see how this plays out. Looks good. Not too bad there. Empty space. Right now, we're just in this POTTERBOX, which is a good sign. So we're in consolidation. And everyone knows by now that, you know, I just don't want the place to happen before market opens. All right, so hold on. I'm going to write some things down. All right. So yeah, that's what I can see. Tesla looks pretty good. We'll keep on going. What else do we got? Of course, we're gonna have to knock out some IWM. I know everyone's gonna ask me about this, and by everyone I mean me. Yo, Riptide, thanks for liking the live stream, sharing it, bro. All right. So yeah, this is the last one. This is the last ETF, and then we will be going over some of these other plays. So give me one moment here. Yo, 1T, what's up, guys? If you're not in this group and you're seriously trying to learn or make money, you're missing out. I'll be honest, man, you know, we try to keep it as simple as possible. Sometimes, you know, I might end up missing a trade, which is fine. But yeah, try to keep it as simple as possible, man. And yeah, I mean, if anyone does want to join, honestly, join the free chat if you'd like, or stick to my live streams. I'm live every day. You see a lot of these same plays that we get into. I can scroll to like a random time and show these same exact charts. You can scroll through and even see my charts are all the same. Majority of them. All right, dude. Yeah, we'll pull these up, bro. So yeah, it was a wild day yesterday. I know Income Guru is here somewhere. He's like, it's like in here somewhere. So yeah, that's what Guru did yesterday with us. Put bros for the win. See, boom. So yeah, that was on what, IWM there. So yeah, wild day, man. All right, so now IWM. Let's see what the damage is here. My bad for all the yapping. He said they're missing. Yo, Julius, what's up, bro? All right, so IWM. Let's take a look here. Maybe we go to a 30-minute chart. Let's see. All right, yeah, I got it. Okay. All right, so 30-minute, 1 hour. 1 hour looks good. So there's 2 pockets that I can see down here, which look actually pretty decent. So this is what I will do. I don't know. I like the 30-minute chart today. Hold on. Let me make sure it doesn't look better on that 4 hour before I just. So obviously, yeah, there's a definite pocket here up to this empty space, up to this 269. But we're just in a little bit of consolidation as of right now, so give me one moment. Let's see here. Yo, Scotty, what's up? Do you trade options? So yes, we trade options here. Or at least I do. I mean, some members, they may take futures trade, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, we mainly trade options here inside the Discord. Let's see. Under that 264, we got to move down to that 263. So I see that, and then, so before you roast me, before you say anything else, I understand. Yeah, we got another, basically a crazier empty space move. So if we could get under that 262, there could be a move down to that 260. And no, I'm not saying any of these plays could hit. I could be wrong. Sometimes I am wrong. So just make sure if you do join the Discord, just know that not every play will hit. Maybe I might call it a play. Might have to get stopped out. Things of that sort. But yeah, that's it, man. All right, let's see here. All right, so this is if we do want to drop. So we got a nice little move down from that 264 down to this 263, and then hopefully we can get down into there. So that's that IWM move that I can see, which looks good. All right, nice. Yo, Z, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. JR, appreciate the follow as well. All right, hold on. So that's on IWM. Right now we're in that box, which is honestly is a good sign. Above us. All right, before you say anything, this is going to be like a very, very tiny box. And you can see we're having trouble getting above that wall there. So that's above that 265. Looks like a floor could be at that 265.43 area. We got a nice pocket up to this 266. And then maybe I'll leave a couple runners trying to reach a couple more targets to the upside. So if that happens, we do got a pocket here, which looks really, really good. So we'll see if we can get that nice break. Either way. You are blurry? Oh, man, no way. I don't know. I was thinking about streaming on my other account. Since this account is giving me a little bit of trouble with the blurriness. All right, if it's blurry, let me know. All right, so yeah, this is pretty much what I've seen here. Hopefully you can see that a little bit better. I can scroll in a bit too. So we can get on there. There's basically a small pocket here, and then we got a bigger pocket there. So that's what I pretty much like, which looks good. Obviously, on that 1 hour, that would be under that 263, but we'll see how that plays out. Peace out. Nah, bro, I cleaned my whole screen. I cleaned everything. It was like my last live stream yesterday. I couldn't even like finish it because it was like, I don't know, TikTok was messing with the quality or something. All right, hold on. If it makes you happy, I'll wipe the screen, but it's really clean. Even my my device screen. Hold on. All right, that should be a lot better. All right, okay, cool. Let's get this continuation. So Tesla, okay. Q's. I don't know. I like SPY a lot more today. We'll see. All right, now let's get this continuation. So I think I read POTR. I know we got to do Microsoft. We got to do Kava here. So I actually had a really good bounce up. KDP. All right, yep, we got that pulled up too. What else do we have? He said, I thought it was a little bit dusty. Okay, hello. All right, if you have any requests, now's the perfect time to drop those in the comments. So you can redo those. DOW. Yo, Crazy Cat Lady, my bad. I seen your comment like at the start of the live stream. I swear I did. Okay, so yeah, let's do POTR first. Wait, hold on. What is this? What do we got here? What is the damage here? Oh wow. Okay. All right. Yeah, I might have to write this one down. This one doesn't look, you know, half as bad. All right, so. All right, POTR, yeah, this is what I can see here, which honestly looks good. We got a nice pocket here. Don't want to move anything, though. So clear gap down, no consolidation. It looks like we're about to close outside of our potter box. So if we end up closing outside pre-market, I kind of want to see if we retest this little level here on this next candle. So that'll be at that 130.62. Have a nice retest and then go into the empty space. But if we don't have a nice retest, then could end up getting a drop down. So we'll see how things play out. All right, so yeah, that is on POTR. Yeah, I'm going to keep this on my watch list. That looks really good. All right, Microsoft. Obviously can't get too excited about this one quite yet. Hopefully we stay up. But yeah, we had a clear gap down, clear as day. And then yeah, empty spaces above us. So you can see yesterday. So you can see on Microsoft here, clear gap down. We just needed to stay above that wall, above that consolidation area, which we did. And yeah, it looks like we're making our way up. Nice little gap up, 392, and then hopefully that 396 looks good. What's the Discord link? So yes, the Discord link is in the bio, the free chat, and also the VIP chat as well. So everything's in the bio. We probably will be posting a code today. We've been getting a lot of messages, so we'll probably post a code after market closes today. So no worries about that. But yeah, everything's in the bio. Honestly, even if you just want to join the free chat, you can even talk to the members. Yeah, just make sure to do your own research, of course, though. All right, cool. Yeah, looking good. Hopefully we stay up. Looks like we might end up hitting this pretty soon. All right, so Kava here. This is another one that looks really good. Yo, Black Ox, what's up? How often do you stream? I stream every day. I'm here every morning before market opens, and then like an hour after market opens, and then end of day. So last hour for this end of day stream. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll be here every day, man. All right, so yeah, as of right now, we got a. Man, we had a clear gap down, and honestly, shout out to Glock for this one. He ended up, finding this one for us. I saw the empty space. As for yesterday, you could see, so where we were. So this was on Kava here. So you can see we were in the box, but I saw the empty space above us, which I did like. So that was my only reasoning for this one. Like how we pushed right up. I get we haven't hit any of these upside targets, but if we can, I want to say that 79 area and then that 87, which looks good. So not too bad there. All right, cool. Yeah, hopefully we get that continuation. So if we do, looks good. I really like that. I really like that upside. So really beautiful move on that. All right, KDP. We'll take a look here. Yo, Leo, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. And yes, guys, my name is Lee, so you can call me Lee or Put Bros, whatever makes you sleep better at night. All right, D-Dog, make sure what's up. How can I learn your trading system? Is there a course? Yeah, I use POTTERBOX strategy, so yeah, shout out PotterStocks as well. Great guy as well. Make sure to give him a follow, give him a like. But yeah, I do have my own course that pretty much goes over everything, and we try to break it down as simple as possible. So that is here. So you can honestly see it in my free Discord, and then you can see the upgraded VIP, and then you can also see that trading course there. So that's there. It does give 1 month free, but we upgraded it to 2 months. So yeah, that's that. Everything's in the bio though. All right, so KDP. We'll take a look here, and hopefully I can fix my screen. My bad on that. Fix my screen, make it a little bit better. There we go. I know it's a bit crooked. So just give me a moment. I understand. All right, so Jackie, thanks for the follow. All right, so yeah, clear gap down. pretty much same thing. I know I'm repeating myself, and honestly, I look for the same thing every day. We did end up having a clean close above our top wall, our top level, which was this empty space that is above us. The only thing here is that, yeah, we didn't get a push yet. So if we do, I want to see that 32.58, and then my final on that is that 35.20 area, which looks good. So we'll see how that wants to play out. Yo, Catherine, thanks for being here in the live stream today. Good to see you once again, as always. And yeah, she's an OG inside the Discord too, so. Alright, 1 second here, 1 second. And yeah, if you are inside the Discord, you'll be able to see some of these charts. So Rugged is going pretty wild right now. I'm going to post some of these. So give me 1 second here. I want to post those in the live chart finds. Alright. So I'll post those two, and then the rest I'll do in a second. But yeah, if you're there, you'll be able to see those. Alright, so yeah, that's on KDP. So now we got to do OKLO. We got to do DOW, SLV for Crazy Cat Lady. RIVN. Dang, that looks so beautiful, man. Hopefully we stay up. That would be great. ACHR. Oh, dude, it has earnings today? All right, nice, nice. I actually will be playing some today. We'll see if we can get something nice. Hold on, my bad, guys. I'm just trying to see which one's ASTS. All right, cool. So if I end up missing an entry, my bad. Thando, thanks for the follow, bro. All right. So yeah, OKLO. I think we went over this one just yesterday. I think I did this on a 2-hour chart, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, 2-hour chart. Another beautiful move. This is something that we always try to look forward to, look at. Hold on, there we go. Yo, Bart, man, I just caught it right before you said that. I was like, yeah, they probably can't even see this. The prices on the right side. So here you go. All right, there you go. So yeah, we got this clear gap down, so you can see clear sell-off. And yeah, we had a nice top and bottom wall. Nice potter box. We broke outside of this box, and we end up gapping up into that first TP, that 65.47. And then if we do want to get this continuation, I like that 67.74. So looks good. Not too bad there. Want to see if we can get that nice continuation, which isn't bad. So we shall see. We shall see. All right, what else we got? All right, cool. So yeah, that's on OKLO. That'll be that final target there. What else? ACHR, and then yes, we'll go over SLV. Oh, dude, what in the world? Yo, that looks crazy. Yeah, that looks wild, bro. So what we got earnings on this one? Really soon. All right. I'm not gonna lie, I like that 24-hour chart. I'm gonna write this one down, so give me one moment here. All right, yeah. So yeah, what I can see here, so looks good. Empty space, so same thing, just like all my plays. We got that clear gap down there, no consolidation. And then yes, right above us, we got another dude, I'll keep an eye on this one because we do have a lot of empty space above us. I personally would like up to that 859 area, which doesn't look too bad. Hopefully we can get that nice little break, that movement into the empty space. So looks pretty good. Right now we're in this box, but yeah, if we end up getting that continuation, I do like that upside. And not saying that this will happen, but yeah, looks good, looks good. Obviously, you know, this could end up losing. Any of these trades could end up losing. Not saying that I win every trade, so if you are in here, just make sure you guys and gals know that, of course. All right, hold on. Let's see. So that's what HDHR. Now let's keep on going. Let's see. Yeah, I was like, I don't think it was tomorrow, but yeah, it looks like it was like on the 2nd. So. Yo, Chef, what's up, bro? Yeah, I'm gonna keep my alert on here. Honestly, you know what? So it's still got like a week or so. Desmond, what's up? Yeah, I had to check my work. I was like, I don't know if there's earnings there, but you know, sometimes I'm wrong. All right, let's see here. DOW. Yeah, we gotta go. So for trades like this, I like to go over like a. Oh wow. All right, maybe I do see something. All right, hold on. Give me a second. That weekly chart looks good. Before you say anything though, I'm going to be completely honest. This is not going to be the best POTTERBOX, so not really the best points of contact. So this would, at least for me, would have to be like a lotto play. But this is if we do want to get this continuation. So we got a nice pocket above us. If we want to get there, so above that 32.51 area, we got to move here. So that's if we can get it. So nice top, bottom wall, empty space, which is above us. So that's on DOW. So right now we're in this POTTERBOX, so we got to see if we can break out that wall there. All right. All right, give me a moment. Rux is sending a lot more charts in, so I'm going to be placing these here too, so give me one moment. Post that. Didn't get a chance to post these either. All right, nice, nice, nice. All right, so yeah, that's on DOW. Yo, thanks for all the likes, guys. Really appreciate it, guys and gals. All right, SLV. So yeah, it looks like we just ended up gapping up. Hold on, let's go to a higher time frame. All right, yeah, I got it. So this is if we can get it. Not saying this will happen, but on SLV, this is what I can see, which doesn't look bad. So we got a pretty much a POTTERBOX here. So you can see a nice top and bottom wall, and then empty space is above us. So that is from that 83.02 up to that 88.85. So that's what I would like to see, if we can get that nice break. So yeah, we got that clear gap down, no consolidation. Right now, I don't think we haven't went above there yet. So that's on SLV. Downside. So, on a lower time frame, so this is a 30-minute chart here. Boom, we got a nice top, bottom wall. So under this 81.62, we got to move down that 79.04 if we get there. I'm not saying we will, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So that's what I can see. That's what I like there, which looked pretty decent. All right, so yeah, that's on SLV. We got pretty moved upside and then downside. We'll see if we can get either of those. All right, so PLTR. Then we got to go over RIVN and then ASTS. If anyone has any requests, you can go ahead and drop those in the comments too. So I think QQQ. So yeah, the Qs are in that empty space, which we will go over again. So AI, so C3, so C3 AI there. DDOG. All right, one second. I'm just scrolling up just to see if I'm missing anyone else. Yo, Leo, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Man, I kid you not. There's so many like Lees and Leos. Shout out to all my twins out there. I think she wanted LAW. Hold on, let's see. All right, yeah, we can definitely go over NQ as well. I got you, bro. All right. So we did SOV too as well. Tesla 2. Alright, it's cool. Linda, what's up? What did I have for Amazon? Alright, yeah, we'll go over that too as well. So yeah, we got a whole list we gotta go over. And so yeah, just give me a moment. I will be right back. I'm gonna get me some water. I'm literally all out. So just give me a moment here. If you want to join the Discord, be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. If you don't want to do that, no worries. You can watch my free live streams. So you don't got to do any of that. Oh, dude, yeah, we gotta. Yo, I know that. Yeah, that looks. AESTS looks crazy. All right, yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. All right, give me a moment. I'll be right back. I'll be right back here, guys and gals. And yes, please earn research, not financial advice, all that good stuff. Yo, I'm back. All right, so let's see here. What else we got? Yo, Yoda, what's up? Why do my candles on Thinkorswim look different? I am including after hours. I'm not too sure. I'll be honest, I'm not too sure. I'll have to look at those graphs too as well. Also, depending on, you know, what type of subscription you have with these candles. Hopefully you got like the real time. All right, so RIV, yeah, let's take a look here. Yo, Leo, what's up? Honestly, I do like Tesla. Watching IWM, we'll see what's up with QQ and SPY. Right now, I just don't really want to chase into it, but I want to see if we get some sort of good move on it. All right, so RVN, yeah, let's take a look here. Honestly, let's go to a 4 hour. And as you can see, yes, that little move already kind of happened. This is what I can see. So we got a box here. Basically, nice top and bottom wall. And then above us, yeah, we got some empty space. So above that 1560, I don't see any resistance until that 1616 area, which doesn't look too bad. And then below us, on that 1473, there is a move down to that 1399. So both of these look good. We'll see if we can get either way. Oh, no, let's see. Top, bottom wall there. All right, boom. All right, so yeah, looks good. We got a nice little pocket here. And then, here's where, yo, yes, you are. Thanks for the harmies. Appreciate it. So yeah, right now in this box, for me, I'm not going to touch it. Let's see how things play out. All right, yeah, Tesla, dude. At least for me. So, I just want to, obviously the 2-hour chart is beautiful. We got a lot of empty space. It still lines up, so I only did this on a 1 hour though. So of course I probably would leave a runner down to that 397 level if we do get there. The only thing that I've seen is, yeah, if we, let's see here. So literally same thing, like same thing. And now it looks like I gotta tweak up my box here just a bit, just because we didn't get that same close that I wanted. But yeah, we had the clear gap up on that 408. We got empty space down at 404. And then above us, I'll be completely honest, this is a lot of chop. This is a lot of chop here. So I did this on a higher time frame actually. And as you can see, that's above that 413, maybe even above that 411. We'll see how things will play out. Lots of empty space here, which looks good. But if I take this on a lower time frame, I definitely will. But we'll just have to see how things will play out. Might end up using a floor for today. It just depends on how we want to open up, how we want to move today with these candles. Hopefully we get some nice movements though. That's what I can see. So I mean, if we fake out, cool, we got some empty space below us. If we want to skyrocket today, cool, I got some empty space above us too. So I try to keep it as simple as possible, just like all these other trades. Kept them really simple. You see yesterday, we had both sides. Boom. You can see where we grabbed those floors. So we had a beautiful entry on that. You see on SPY what happened there. First time, it didn't want to happen. Second time, we went up and a little bit more. So yeah, I want to see those same things, and hopefully we can get some nice entries there. Look for a couple decent plays if we can get them. So yeah, shout out Jesus, amen. Shout out to Bruggs, to mods, me of course, boom. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. So Tesla looking good. So yeah, I do got my eye on this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I got my eye on it. SOFI. Okay, cool. And I think we got. So we just did RIVN too as well. We did Tesla. Hold on. Let me see where Qs and SPY are too. Give me a second here. Yeah, that's crazy. So it looks like we're both in the empty space here, which looks good. IWM is going crazy right now too. Hold on. All right, and ASTS, yes, this looks good. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one too as well. So this one would definitely be like an end of day stream, but hopefully we get the empty space push up, and then yeah, it looks good. So I'll look at that end of day, see if we can get that. It's not too bad there. Yeah, everything is pretty much pushing up here, so. All right, hopefully we get this continuation. All right, yeah, Q's is it's up there. Hold on 1 second here, 1 second. I'm just checking these little entries here. Oh yeah, it's going crazy, all right. yeah, it's definitely going crazy. That's for sure. All right, yeah, we got a couple good ones. We'll see how things play out. You think we're going to get a pullback at open or just straight up? Man, honestly, we'll just have to see how things play out. What I would want to see is if we can get a continuation, but I'm not going to just be like, oh, I'm going to get in, boom, and then we reverse. I'm not going to do that. I want to see how this reacts. If we get a good reaction, could end up possibly retesting that 689. But if we do end up just staying above, then I'll just probably have like a lotto. But I want to see something like really nice to see if we can get that continuation, because if we fall, we got a lot of empty space below us. So I'm just going to see how things play out and see if we can get a nice little move. Doesn't look too bad. All right, cool. So yeah, I'll probably use some of these floors though. All right, so all right, one second here, guys and gals. Let me see. My bad, just sending a couple messages on the chat, so I'll read messages in a second. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, we'll take a look here as well. Let me see. So yeah, this is what I can see, which doesn't look too bad here. We got some empty space. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get rid of this. Yeah, we got some empty space. I do like that 2 hour. The 2 hour looks good. Yeah, the 2 hour looks decent for me. That's if we can get this nice continuation push, but up to that 25,350, that's what I can see if we want to get that continuation. 229, that'll be that first little target, but hopefully we can somehow retest this little level. But if we don't, then yeah, we might end up pushing up to that to this empty space. But we'll see how things play out. Obviously, if we end up dropping, I mean, there's a pocket to the downside too. So I'm not gonna just be like, oh yeah, I want calls just because it looks good, because I want it. I'm only gonna follow the charts. So we'll see how things play out. I'm just gonna follow those charts, so it looks really good. All right, so that's there. All right, we're gonna a little pullback here. Just a small pullback. All right. So yeah, that was on NQ. Then we're trading the same thing. Let me see. Yeah, Tesla looks really good too. I do like Tesla, but we'll see how things will play out with this. See if we get like some sort of, oh, don't want to move it, some sort of decent move on it. Yo, Trina, let me know if you saw NQ. I just went over it. Let me know, bro. Did I go over IWM? Yes, we did. But yeah, we had a crazy gap up. So my next little thing that I would like to see is if, I'm not saying that we will, but if we get above there. we got a lot of empty space. So as you can see here, so literally same plays. All right, hold on. So yeah, if we get above that 265, we got empty space up to that 266. Might end up leaving a little lotto runner. We'll see. Under us, we did this on a 30-minute, 45 minutes. Still looks fine. Under that 264, we got down to that 263, but might end up having a floor entry. We'll see how things play out. All right, guys, give me a second. I just got a restriction on my live, so just make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. I know my TikTok has been acting so weird. All right. All right, cool. So yeah, I might have to stream on my other account if that ends up happening. Dang, there is a nice setup here. Hold on one second here. So AI, we went over that. So yeah, we did go over this NQ one. So there's a lot of empty space here. That's if we do want to get that continuation. So we'll see how that plays out. Doesn't look too bad though. All right, so yeah, so that's just what I had there. What else? Hold on, let me take a look. Yo, Javen, thanks for the follow. Matthew, thanks for the liking the live stream, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, let me get off this 2 hour. Let me go to a 1 hour. Let me see what we got. Yeah, there's a decent setup here. So beautiful top. First, I like this bottom wall there. And then, yeah, right above us. $650. So, yeah, we got that clear gap down. This is something that I would like to target into, of course, as everyone would know that. But, yeah, nice top, bottom wall here. And then, yes, we got empty space, which is above us. So, right now in the box, hopefully we can break outside this box here, this level, and then have that empty space, which looks really, really good. All right, so, all right, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, we got a couple good, decent ones. All right, yeah, let's see what we got here. All right, SO5. Okay, I do remember doing this one. Above that 1985, we do got to move up to this 2140. So that's what I like there. Right now, we're just in consolidation. So looks like we reached this floor, but if we get this continuation, we got the empty space, which looks good. All right. Dang, bro. IBRX, I'm not gonna lie. Looks like we hit my final TPs on that. The next thing I can see is we do got a next leg up to that 13 39 if we end up get that break. So 1339, that's what I like. That's what I can see, which honestly doesn't look too bad. So we'll see how that plays out. Looks really, really good. But yes, guys, thank you all so much for tuning into the live stream. I will be getting off now. I got a lot of typing to do inside the Discord. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. Just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research. So yeah, see you either in the Discord or in my next live stream. So yes, have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.